welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to do a mini haul. Let's get started with the Hottools 4 sponges. Got this from Ross and it was for $2.99 and I figured it's less than $1 per sponge and there's 4 of them. I like that it's not too big and it's not too small, and I've used this on myself personally and I really like it. So I went to Walmart. I used to use these before and I just stopped using it only because I do have a pro discount. I didn't find the need to like go to a drugstore and purchase just like hair products, but this time I used to use this before and this is still awesome. But one thing I can tell you, it says texturizing dry shampoo. It's new formula. It instantly absorbs oil, and I can tell you, I've tried this, it really absorbs the oil. Like, use that one and it went away instantly, and I want to say this thing is less than $5. Then the next one is the Garnier Fruity Style, and this one is a strong hold, but it says ultra strong hold, but honestly it's not. Like, you just spray a little bit and make sure that it is a distance away from your hair, not too close. And I can tell you it smells fruity. It's paraben free. It says it's frizz protection with natural bamboo extract. And the hold of it, I don't really need a lot of hold. So the next one is also hair products, and I got this from the Pro store. This is Kenra. One is the number 25 and the other one is number 26. The number 26 is something that is new that I'm trying out, and then the number 25 is something that is an oldie but a goodie. I can tell you a lot of people in the bridal industry, they swear by this Kenra 25. It is a super hold finishing spray, but again, it also does not leave a crunchy or like a white residue onto your hair. Now for this one, the Kenra Platinum Finishing Spray, and its maximum hold in the 26, so it means it's more of a stronger hold. I can tell you that this is no different than the 25, and the price is the same. I just didn't get a really good deal with this one. It was just like, it's the same price as the 26. So it was next one is a Boxy Charm. This was a June box. I am not subscribed to this Boxy Charm subscription. This is my sister's. She didn't like any of it, so she decided to give it to me. Let's start with like the smaller pieces. It's like an eyeshadow. This one is Huckleberry. The consistency of it is very spongy. And this one is French Vanilla. That these two will go into my makeup kit because I don't ever see myself using this. The next one is, this is Blush. The brand is Blush. This might be like a win for me. Next one is, oh, Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. It helps to set the makeup, energize and revive the skin, filters away dull, tired, stressed complexion. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh your tired skin. So this to me is pretty interesting. Anytime that it's a setting spray, I definitely have to try. And then, let's see this. This is actually a perfume. English Laundry number 7. It has like a cotton. It actually smells really good. And so one of the reasons why I really like fragrance that are this small, because I know that I can take it with me everywhere. Actually, what is it? It has like that fresh scent. Last but not the least, from the Boxy Charm, is this Sutra 19M Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with a pull tip. And I love that it has like a little pouch with it, so I can definitely travel with this. My last two will be tools for my hair kit, and this is it. I'm so excited to try this one. This is the Samvilla texture. Who got me to purchase this one is Maureen, and I can tell you Lauren is one of the sweetest people people. If you don't know who I'm talking about, I will link the video that I've done with her, which is what's in my hair kit. And if you're somebody that's looking into building your hair kit, she has a lot of really cool products and really cool tools that she uses. Very minimalistic. She does not have a lot of foo-foos inside her hair kit. I was like, I don't need to buy this because I already have a crimper, and if you've seen my previous video, I have a crimper there that is kind of different than this one. This is a little different because my old crimper, which I still have, my old crimper is more of like a V, like a zigzag type of thing, like very precise zigzag, versus this one, it's more of like rounded. And this one is really cool because with this button over here in the side, it has off, and then this one is low, and then this one is color treated hair, and then this one is high for somebody that has more of like a coarse texture hair. After using it, I was convinced and I went ahead and got this one. If you're somebody that's doing bridal hair, you have to get, I have the Hottools curl bar. I've seen this before. The reason why I never really purchased it because I felt like, why do I need one when I already have one? So I can show you what I have. Something similar. I have multiple of these, but this is something similar. It's just like straight. Curling iron straight, right? Like these two tools that I showed you, I feel like this will elevate your hairstyling. Inside of it, it has a quick guide, quick start guide, and then it has gloves to protect your hand from it. I have learned to use the curling iron without gloves, but if I have an assistant that's not used to using these, like I'll probably give the glove to her. Let me show you. So basically I just go like that if it was my hair, just like that. Right? And then like with this one, using it on somebody with super long hair, super long silky hair that's hard to hold curl, I feel like this will definitely benefit. I went to the cosmetic company store, and so I found the MAC 217 is my favorite brush. I went in and I was like, you know what, let me just get one. But I can tell you, when I picked it up, it was on sale for $5.75. These normally run, I think, closer to like $20, and then with my pro discount, less than $20. But this rang up to like $5. So sure enough, I was like, okay, go ahead and just, I'll take whatever you guys have left. I was limited to only purchasing 5, which is okay with me too, because honestly, I do not need more than 5. And so I went ahead and I purchased 5 of the MAC 217 brush, and that concludes my haul. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you do, so you will get updates to when I upload a new video. I will talk to you guys soon.